Alright guys, let's do another update here. So today is the 6th of February 2023. We ended trading day at 23.86, up about 7% today. That was a good sight to see after hours. That was interesting because it's immediately dip and then come right back up to around here. Intraday trading the same way, as low as 21.77, as high as 24.88. Now the total amount of short interest is still the same, 60.3 million shares being shorted, and that's amount to 23.19% of the company. Now this is pretty puzzling to me, because if you look at the total volume today, it was traded around 8.6 million shares being traded. So if you want to figure out the day to cover, it accounts for this right here. So if you were to do the math, this divided by this, you're gonna get around around 7 days to cover. Okay, so that should have been like that. Now I don't know if there's a kind of influx of volume elsewhere that we don't know about, right? All right, so let's move on. Of course, the off exchange shorted volume is 1.07 million shares being shorted in the dark pool, and or included in the off exchange. Okay, now the ratio has been down a little bit, however it's still higher than 50%. This is the amount of percentage of price actions you don't get to see in today's trading, because it went to dark pool, right? I mean, it's better than 60%, but 53% is still high in my opinion. Okay, so tomorrow Jerome Powell is gonna speak. Whatever speech he's gonna get, it's gonna move the market. So if you want, you have to monitor kind of his word carefully. If you want a chance to buy GME at a cheaper price, look out for words like, we're gonna continue to raise rate. We're not going to cut rate nor stop the raising right now. He might try to raise another 25 basis point until the year end, right? Who knows? But again, if the market is rallying like when it did back in February 1st, when he was only raising the rate lower than expected percentage, the market just went up like crazy, right? Now, that is bad for inflation, because his goal is to lower the inflation down to 2%. Okay, that is his goal, his job. That's the target. That's what he's saying over and over again, that it needs to be done. The only problem is that job has been diminishing in this country, and this is why the job claim or whatever, the report that came out was totally cooked book, right? If you look at the inflation back in December, it was 6.5%. That is a no-no. And if you only just raise the rate up 25 basis point, that is not much to combat it at all, because the Fed funds rate right now, the interest rate, is below the inflation right now. So that's bad. That's really bad. All right, so that's all I have for this one. Just a quick one. You have a great day. Bye.